Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am on a trip to the one and only Disney World, guys. And this is said to be the best airline flight that you can go on. So I can't wait. Let's find my seat, A5. Oh, baby. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Oh, the captain is speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 4416. Wow. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means you will be arriving in no time. Our destination. Yay, guys, we'll be arriving in no time. Feel free to explore the plane. Wow, guys. Why are the restrooms locked? What if I have to go pee? Oh, this is nice first class. I'm jealous that I can get first class. That's not fair. Everyone else got first class. Well, actually, no. I don't think anyone got first class. I think this is where here's the captain's seat. This is where the flight attendants sleep. And everyone's just roaming around. Leo, I don't know who Leo is, but he seems cool. Now, please find your seat. We are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I already found my seat, which is perfect. I got the window seat, too. Let me sit down. Bro, are y'all seeing this right now, bro? It literally is not letting me sit down. Bro, what was that, bro? I literally sat down, bro. Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah, screw you, bud. I didn't even get to sit down. It's a nice altitude. Get ready, as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. I want some snacks. Give me food, give me food, give me food, give me food. Hello, everyone. Thank you. I don't know why her voice is so high-pitched. But, yeah. Oh, there's actually 2 people. Is there somebody in first class? No, there's 2 people. Guys, this airplane's really nice. I mean, look how much legroom I have. Why does she have 3 dots? I'm not feeling very well. Oh, no. Wait, this sandwich is mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. I'm a fucking Karen. Fuck all of you. Oh no. You need to buy Pampers and Big Bags, backpack, and medication. I found it. No, I found it. What the fuck? I found it. Bro, what? Oh, crap. I literally found it. Good afternoon to all of you. Inform you that we are reaching a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the ride. Alright. Oh, this is a good sleep. Well, that was a good sleep. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. I will, dude. I can't believe we're almost at Disney World. This is gonna be so cool. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh no, the power went out. Oh, it appears we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Oh my god, guys, what is that? Do you guys see that? Guys, look! What is that? There's a red wing. What the hell is that? You will not survive. Are those snakes? Oh my god, what do I do? There's literally snakes on the plane, bro. I just want to go to Disney World. People are jumping on seats. Oh my god, the snake. Guys, there's literally snakes everywhere. Guys, there's an open restaurant. We'll be safe there. Okay. Oh, I see it. It has to be the green one. Why are all of the bathrooms locked? Doesn't make sense. We'll be safe in there. Guys, bro. This is crazy. I can't believe that. I just wanted to go to Disney World and now I have to do all this. I just want a nice trip to Disney World, guys. Guys. I can't believe this, bro. I just wanted to go to Disney World, bro. What are these people's problem, bro? You can't let a man go to Disney World? Dude. Oh my god, baby Josh is at home. Probably worried sick because I said I was going to take him to Disney World, but at the last second, they decided he had school, and I couldn't get a refund on the ticket, so I said I'm going to go by myself, but next time I'll go with him. And I was going to send him pictures and stuff so we could have full experience. Snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature in the wing is also gone. Creepy. Bro. What are all these high-pitched voices, bro? These little girls, bro. Your attention passengers. I have some good news and bad news. What's the bad news, bro? Why you gotta start off like that to say, I have good news and I'm so sorry for it. The good news is the power's back up. No, I thought we were still on the pitch black. The bad news is that we're also losing significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop from over your seats. Take one quick. I got one, guys. I got one. What do I... Bro, I feel bad for everyone that can't get one. Wow. That's sad. I think there's enough for everyone except for one person. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. How come one didn't drop from my seat and I have to go all the way over there? What happened? Oh my god, what is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Guys. What are we going to do? Okay everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save Sassy Queen. Yeah, I'm not reading all those numbers. Let's start. I'm opening all the Oh, I found scissors. I found a pair of scissors. What cable should I cut? Red. I will cut the red cable. Did I? Oh. She didn't make it. We have to keep going if we want to survive. Guys. I'm so sorry. I did the best I could. Usually the red cable is the one that you should cut. Oh my god, I just killed someone. We haven't heard of a criminal. Maybe look for them and check if everything was okay. We found them. They're unconscious. To the kitchen. Quickly, go to the kitchen room. I think the captain's room is on this side, guys. Wait. Didn't she literally die? Come on, bro. Open up. Open up. Open this door. Something is inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door, is it cold if he's cutting the rain? Okay, it's probably over here, so. Oh, no, it's not. I think she might have saw it, maybe. Hey, why is there a telephone? Oh, yeah, she found it. 9700. Guys, I just wanted to go to Disney World, bro. I did not want to do this, bro. Oh my god. Nope, I'm out, bud. It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. You think we are here on accident, but you're not. Oh god. I brought you here. All of you. Oh god. We are cooked. That is not possible. Well, actually, it is kind of possible because I was debating on not to go in here or not. It's now time to die. Oh, hell no. See you in the afterlife. Literally what? Where did he go? Why are there all these buttons? The captain is unconscious. God damn, bro. Bro literally got punched in the face so hard. Please, Footling, what are we gonna do? We need to find that. I'll put the button. Where could that be? Oh, I think it's all of these green buttons. Maybe one of them's like, click everything. And that button before we die. Come on, it's gotta be one of these. No, it's not. Yeah, no, we might be cooked, bro. I cannot find this stupid button. Please tell me someone found it. Oh no, guys, we might be cooked. I found the button. Guys, I found the button. Actually, no, I saved the plane. Actually, I mean, I did kill somebody in the process by cutting the red wire, but we don't talk about that. It's been a crazy flight. I just want to go home already. Bro, what do you mean, bro? I'm trying to go to frickin' Disney World. I'm not trying to stay in home, bro. I'm trying to go to Disney World, Florida, bro. Now, all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Yeah, help to frickin' get back to Disney World. I think I saw the emergency phone earlier. There it is. And in all its glory. I think I did it, guys. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't we? We'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Bro. Yes, we're okay. But can we just go to Disney Can we just go to Disney World already? Why do we have to go home? I guess autopilot mode is on. Okay, we got your location. I'm taking control. Yeah, you better, bro. Take me into control of Disney World. Someone used to keep the plane on track. Me, I'll do it. I'll keep on track to Disney World. Find someone to someone. Come on, Ozzy. I'm the captain. Don't worry, I'll do it. Don't worry, guys. I've done most of the work. I can do one more. I'm gonna do it, guys. Guys, I'm gonna take us home to Disney World. Wait. Alright, everyone. I got this. Oh my god. Oh hell no.
You humans are funny. This is not my real voice, by the way. Your destiny has already been written.
Dang.
Last chance, the King Doge 7. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity.
Will you crash the plane? No.
I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me.
Is he gone now? Gosh, that guy's so annoying. It's gone!
It was not last time you saw him. What does that mean?
Well, obviously, it means that he's coming back.
Let's go back home.
Bro, no, I already told you. I'm going to Disney World, and I'm not going back home.
Let's go back home.
Hey, I got the good ending. Victory. But I'm sad. I have to go back home. Whatever. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.